everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. If you are new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this look. I'm going to show you how I like to do a graphic double liner that only uses a couple of products. Pretty quick and easy, so you're not there forever trying to like put your makeup on. Please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna take Pure White by NYX Cosmetics. This is a really good white pencil. I find that it stays on all day. I do set it with the powder, but it goes on so fast and so opaque. It's definitely one of my favorites. And I'm just creating a shape. I'm making a bit of a thicker liner from lash line to about there. And then with the wing, I just kind of bring it out to where the end of my brow stops. And then as it dries, you can continue to build up the color and it just gets more and more opaque. So I'm kind of keeping the thickness all the way through. I'm not dipping down too much. I want it to go straight across. So it's more of like a straight line. And then as you relax your eye, it'll give that little bit of a swoop. Now I'm taking Honor by Il Mascara. This is a really beautiful mid-tone brown on the grayer side, so it's not too warm. So I like the way that that plays with the white, keeps it more on like that cooler side. And I use basically like the full side of the tip of the pencil to guide the thickness of the line that I want. Then I'm going a little bit on the top lid, starting there, and then I'm gonna pull it so that it goes under the first line that I did to kind of support it. And then I cheat a little bit here because if I follow my natural lower lash line, it kind of dips up. So I fill in right here to keep it straight. And then you just build up a little bit at a time until you get the opacity and the color that you like. Now I just go in and fill in the waterline. And that creates like a little bit more of like a smoky effect. I just received this mascara from It Cosmetics. I love It Cosmetics mascaras. This one is called Hello Plus Lashes, I believe, or Hello Lashes. This is a lash care serum. So it has biotin, argan oil, and jojoba oil in it. They said that like in testing that they did, about 7 out of 10 people saw less lash removal when they were taking off their mascara when they used this mascara. So it's much more gentle on the lashes. And 93% of people said that it made their lashes look fuller. I already have a little bit on, but I do like this mascara. I find that it's a little bit more of a natural look, but it does build up the lashes and makes them look very, very long. So I just do top and bottom. I love a mascara that's infused with like lash care serums because it looks beautiful on, but it's also doing a little bit more nurturing for your lashes. For the lips, I tattoo my lip line. That's why it looks like I already have a little bit on, but I still like to add a lip liner in. So this one is called Davis, and this is by Wilma Beauty, one of my favorite brands. And I just kind of like throw a line on and then smudge it out with my finger to give a diffused look. And I do that mainly on just the center parts. I'll throw a little bit on the outer corners just to create a little bit of a lift. But I don't want to see the lip liner. I just want to enhance the lips. So it gives a little bit of a shadow so it appears a little bit fuller and more there. This color is also from Wilma Beauty. This is called Regal. This is one of my favorites, like neutral lipsticks. If I just want to like throw something on, lighten the lip a little bit and give a glossy finish. This is a very sheer formula. So it's almost like a gloss, but in a lipstick form, which I really like because it doesn't give like too much of that glossy effect, but it gives a beautiful shine. And that's it. All of my foundation and everything I do have in other videos. I don't really change that up too much. That's why I'm not showing it. But you can take a look at other videos to see how I create my, my base and my contour and blush and highlight and everything like that. So that's it. Just a really quick double liner look. I love a white liner. I feel like it really like opens the eyes, and then creating that graphic shape makes it pretty cool to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe. I list all of the products that I use in the description box below, so you can check those out if you like. Let me know if there's any other tutorials that you would like to see from me. And let me know if this video is helpful for you, because that's what I'm here to do, is just to make life easier. Thanks so much for watching.